This is how to replace the footboard pad on your Emotor Go. So you'll simply remove the old one to expose the bare footboard, and then with your new pad you're going to take off, make sure you line it up in the way it's supposed to go, and then you're going to begin by just removing the adhesive from the top portion of it, kind of folding it down so that it doesn't get in the way. Only remove that much, and then take these two bits and one at a time line them up appropriately with the footboard, and then do the other side so you get them where they're supposed to be. And then once it's lined up, you can then take these two pieces of the adhesive and with one hand gently pull back as you press down above it. You could maybe even use a ruler or something of that nature on the top to be able to press down as you pull back on the adhesive cover to ensure there's no air bubbles as you're laying it down. Good to go.